Good day mga ka-native. Balik po tayo dito sa ating programa sa The Philippine Native Chicken Digital TV. Pasensya ng konti. Kung medyo natagalan po tayo magbalik dito po sa ating programa. It is because also of our present undertakings. Sa ating mga ka-native dyan that keep on following The Philippine Native Chicken Digital TV. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Ang Philippine Native Chicken Digital TV is broadcasting dito po sa My Technology Business Center, sa loob mismo ng campus ng Central Philippine University. By the way, sa ating mga ka-native, ang CPU po is a private university po, headed by our President, Dr. Ernesto Huerta Guy. Kasama na po ang aming Chairman of the Board Trustee, Attorney Peter Corbera. Ito po yung kaibigan, kaakibat po nyo sa Palaga Native Chicken Commercial Scale, sa Philippine Native Chicken. Doc James, for short. Magandang araw po sa ating mga ka-native all throughout the Philippines that keep on following us. Maraming salamat po. Sa ating palang mga participants na attended the seminar last February 17. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsama po sa Philippine Native Chicken. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala, and hoping that the learning that you have magamit po ninyo dyan sa inyong mga respective project. Tandaan po natin na ang seminar na nung nakaraan sa mga participants natin, hindi po yun ang katapusan. Ibig sabihin po, umpisa pa lang yan ng ating pagsasama dito po sa pag-alaga native chicken in commercial scale. That is one way that the Philippine Native Chicken makatulong po sa ating mga raisers na seryoso po sa pag-alaga ng manok. And that is why that sa kaibigan pa natin dyan sa may Bohol, magandang araw po sa inyo, sir, and hoping that by this coming possibly June or July or possibly May, makasama po namin kayo dito ang inyong cooperative dyan sa Bohol para po sa experiential learning. So ulit, maraming salamat po sa ating mga ka-native that keep on trusting Central Philippine University. By the way pala, sa ating mga ka-native dyan sa may Tapas Capiz, I will be in Tapas Capiz possibly on the 2nd or 3rd week of March po. 2 araw po tayo dyan para po na mag-lecture about the integration of native chicken sa ating pong pag-alaga ng manukan dyan sa inyo sa may Tapas Capiz. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala kay Philippine Native Chicken at sa Central Philippine University. Yan kasi maka-native ang advocacy ni Philippine Native Chicken, kung bakit na patuloy po tayo. It is because na kailangan po natin na kung saan magtulong-tulungan para naman sa ikabuti po ng ating pag-alaga ng native chicken. And I am firmly believing na kung saan po the requirements of the native chicken all throughout the country way back then in 2010, umaabot yun ng hanggang more than 130 million heads per year. Ang problema lang po natin, hindi po kayang supplyan ng isang tao yan o isang institution. And that is why that at Philippine Native Chicken, tuloy-tuloy po tayo, and yung mga disenyo ng housing natin, patoka, at least ngayon mga ka-native, we are now constructing the template for the community-based feed milling. Yung kung bakit na sa ating mga LGU o mga cooperative organization that would like to visit us, baka nandoon yan sa mga April or May, pili pa nyo makita ang template natin para po sa community-based feed milling. Isa kasi yan sa mga tingnan natin mga ka-native na mga technique para at least yung tawag dito yung ating pag-alaga ng manok, at the same time helping the community mapatuloy po natin through what they call community-based feed milling. We started the project on feed mill way back then, 2011 pa, halos na buo na yan. And then right now we are finalizing our laboratory feed mill para dito sa may Central Philippine University. Pero yung laboratory feed mill na yan po, it can also be adapted in the community. The capacity of it is as much as 10 to 15 tons per week. Mas masubra pa dyan, depende po sa inyong operation at mga pangangailangan po ninyo. We are also offering various support services para po sa mga would like to adopt our feed milling technology. Ang feed milling technology natin ngayon, hindi lang sa limited sa manok, but we are now extending no, even up to swine, no, and then pati na po yung ating tawag dito yung isda. Now we are also working with the center chief na Dr. Bidia, no, diyan sa may nanga, no, ng Pututan, Iloilo, no. Yung kasi ang research center, no, ng province of Iloilo, no, and hoping that it will be materialized, no, especially on the African hito and the tilapia, no. Yun kasi ang isa sa tingin natin that we are expanding our horizon, no, on Philippine native chicken, no, given that the equipment that we have in right now for research. No, I would like to extend, no, my gratitude, no, to Seysa family, no, kay Ma'am Ann Seysa and Sir Loy Seysa of San Joaquin, Iloilo, no, for giving us the opportunity to work with them, no, for donating us, no, the sequencing machine po, mga ka-native. No, yun ang sabi ko noong nakaraang mga presentation natin, that at Philippine Native Chicken, no, we are thinking, no, pasalamat po tayo sa mga private individual that keep on believing kay Philippine Native Chicken, para po mapatuloy po natin ang advokasya. And then kay Sir Frederick C. pala, no, diyan sa may Sherton at sa C family, no, for also helping us, no, for the materialization of the research on early disease detection kit, no, particularly on the mycoplasma. No, maraming salamat po sa ating mga ka-native, no, that keep on trusting, no, sa kay Philippine Native Chicken, no, para po, no, strengthen natin, no, ang industriya po ng pag-aalaga na manok dito po sa may Pilipinas. No? Baka manibago pa kayo sa ating background. Yan kasi ginawa natin para at least magiging formal. No, meron po tayo magdagdag dyan. But it is what I call the test broadcast that we have para po sa ating bagong background. Na alam nyo kasi mga native ngayong araw, no, we'll be doing this one. No, ang isa kasi ngayon mga native na ipalabas na po natin ang CPU, no, fertility booster emulsified concentrates. No, sa ating mga native pala na nagpo-problema po kayo, no, ng mga fertility hatchability, no, ng inyong mga alagang manok dyan. No, this is really intended for the breeder stocks. No, hindi lang to para sa mga native chicken, but even in terms of your heritage, no, and even the game fowl, pwede po nyo ilagay po sa mga patoka po nyo ng alagang manok po ninyo, no, ang ating CPU, no, fertility booster. This is what we call the innovation that we developed dito po sa Central Philippine University. Huwag po kayo mabahala in terms of the efficacy niya. That is scientific-based studies. And wala po tayong hassle dyan, no, sa health po ninyo. Kahit mainom po nyo yan, no, walang problema po yon mga ka-native. Actually, ang ating ginawa ngayon, no, it is in response also, no, sa mga problema ng ating mga ka-racers, no, ng ating mga ka-native all throughout the Philippines, and not only in the Philippines but even our followers, no, from Indonesia. No, right now, last year the proportion of the subscriber that we have, no, Indonesia, that is about 3%, but right now, no, almost 6% of our followers and subscribers came from Indonesia. No, thank you to our brothers Indonesia for trusting the Philippine Native Chicken. I know that the technology we develop here at Central Philippine University now is also applicable in your place. For as long as the place you have now have similar condition with the Philippines, the tropical, and possibly, no, there are also some racers coming from Africa, no, that is contacting us and asking also for guidance. So thank you to those followers that we have, no, from Africa, no, for adapting the technology of Central Philippine University. No. From my bottom of my heart, thank you, and I did not expect that this technology, no, will circulate globally. Thank you also, no, to all our followers and subscribers that keep on increasing in number. No, thank you. No, kahit na walang boss, no, patuloy pa rin na umakyat ang ating mga subscriber, no, and followers, no, dito po sa Philippine Native Chicken. Again, this broadcast, no, is with a permission coming from our university administration, no, through our president, na Reverend na Dr. Ernest Howard Daguhoy. Now, as part of our extension activity or outreach activity, that we could reach not only here in Iloilo but even as far as the signal of Facebook can reach, and even in terms of the YouTube that we have now, channel that we have. Thank you. Hope that all the information, natandaan po natin that the information that we are giving here at the Philippine Tib Chicken Digital TV, that is not in terms of just blogging based on experiences or reading, but it is based on the scientific studies conducted here at Central Philippine University. Expect for more of the emulsified concentrate to come, more of the water-soluble premixes that will come on the days to come, in the coming days. And right now we are finalizing also the marketing of the dress native chicken. That is why that right now we are so busy constructing for our marketing hub, where all the dress native chicken will be channeled, and in terms of the quality control now will be done in that marketing hub. So pakiantay lang po sa ating mechanitive at saka sa ating pala mechanitive here in Iloilo that would like to venture on native chicken in commercial scale. Kay Sir Perk Magbanwa dyan sa May Dumangas, Iloilo. Magandang araw po sa inyo, sir. Thank you for the trust. Sa ating mechanitive na malapit po dito in Iloilo and even in some part of the Philippines, ang problema namin in some part of the Philippines, we could extend to you the technical support. Ang isa lang sa problema namin, we could not extend our marketing support. But right now, working in Iloilo, yung kung bakit sa mga ka-native natin dito po sa Iloilo, if you'll be venturing on raising native chicken in commercial scale, not less than 100 heads, Central Philippine University is very much willing to extend our technical support for free, provided that the technology that you will be using is those developed at the Philippine native chicken. So before you ventured on that kind of project, pwede bang daan muna dito sa amin sa Central Philippine University, or you may contact some of our friendly staff para at least you can set schedule na kung saan po makasama po natin at mapagpintuan po natin ang dapat po ninyong gawin sa pag-alaga ng native chicken. And sa iba po natin mechanitive, actually the donation of the Saisa family that is intended for the development of the CPU breed of native chicken, and that is a collaboration between the Trabin University in Vietnam and the Central Philippine University dito po sa Pilipinas to develop a breed of native chicken na mataas po ang resistensya sa sakit, at saka yung kanyang lasa po is mas superior than to the present chicken that we have. Productivity wise, we're looking forward na kung saan yung production performance niya mapataas pa natin, and that is to the use of this molecular equipment. Yung kung bakit nasa ating mechanitive, maraming salamat, and if you find that this page is informative, paki-share naman po dyan sa mga kakilala po ninyo, para at least at paano po mapaabot po natin makalaman tungkol sa pag-alaga ng native chicken. Alam nyo kasi mga native, the trust that we have, the advocacy of Central Philippine University is that pwede bang mag-alaga po tayo ng manok na pag kinain po natin kanyang final product, mapahaba po ang ating buhay. Yan kasi mga native, because we are doing this one kasi if we're going to select based on the phenotypic performances, hindi po natin makuha ng madalian. And that is why that we are venturing right now in terms of molecular, para at least mapabilis na po natin ang selection process mga ka-native. And that is why that kung may mga anak po kayo that would like to enroll in agriculture with micro-specialization on commercial production of chicken, paki-inquire dito sa CPU, because our school opening will be on August. We are the only school in the Philippines offering BS in agriculture with micro specialization on commercial production of native chicken. That is a commission research on the development of curriculum intended really to commercialize, to give learning on how to commercialize the native chicken of this country and possibly even in some part of the globe for as long that there is native chicken. And that is why that if you are coming from other country, please connect with our official website, the www.cpu.edu.ph, for more information. Or you can visit me directly on the Philippine Native Chicken para matulungan po namin kayo na makapapasok dito po. We are the only university in the Philippines offering this micro specialization na kompleto pa lahat ng equipment. Yan ang ipinagmamalaki po ng Central Philippine University. That is why that sabi nga natin, this digital TV is not only intended to share information because of what we have heard, of what we have experienced, but again, all the information being shared here are the product of researches or scientific studies conducted here at Central Philippine University. Yan ang pinagkaiba natin dito mga connectivities, because at Central Philippine University, all the research output that we have, there is always a commercial value on it, and we are commercializing it. And that is why nandiyan na po ang ating CPU, egg boosting net fertility booster, emulsified concentrate para makatulong po. Dagdag po yun sa ating mga available na mga phytomedicines dito po sa Central Philippine University, mga ka-native. Alam nyo kasi ang pag-alaga ng manok hindi naman ganun kasi kahirap yan, and it will matches with the requirement of the market for as long as also the need of the raiser. Yung kung bakit na palagi ko inuulit yan, na kung saan we are raising native chicken na hindi po siya doon match sa requirement ng market and then sa need ng raiser. And that is what Central Philippine University is doing since 2002 para po ma-commercialize po ang native chicken in the Philippines. Si Philippine Native Chicken naniwala po na may pera po sa native chicken for as long as there is a clear technology on it. Pagbigyan tayo natin ng isang himplo, for example, the common problem of consumers on eating native chicken is that yung kanyang karne matigas. At the same time, ang isang problema naman ng raiser is that on the raising of native chicken, ang kanyang survival rate when it is on the prey range is only 40%. Ibig sabihin po, for every 100 chicks that you have, padating doon sa bintahan only 40 of it will reach the market. Ano ibig sabihin? Alam nyo kasi, isa lang doon ang nakita namin that is a triggering factor on it. And we have conducted studies then since 2012 on commercialization para makita lang yan mga native. And that is what they call the pre-ranging characteristic that you have. Bakit? If you are going to raise native chicken on a pre-range condition, ang manok kasi mga native, as long as it gala yan mga native, ang magiging problema natin, the wider or the farther the area it could reach, yung muscle sa kanyang binti, sa katawan niya, it is active on that stage. So, pagiging active yan mga native, yung mga muscle strand niyan, tumitigas yan. Pag tumitigas yan, yan ang reason why na kung saan po native chicken have softer meat. Pag tumigas yan, ang kakibat niyan dry or tuyo yung muscle strand niyan. Now, how it can be done na kung saan po masagot na natin ang problema ng market at the same time, mabigyan din natin ng solusyon ang problema ng ating mga raisers. And that is why that we develop technology on commercial production of native chicken. Yung kung bakit mga native, kung makita po natin, dito yung pabahay no, na manok sa Central Philippine University, no, I love my buzzers. Alam nyo kasi sa mga ka-native natin na habang nag-critique po tayo minsan, pag hindi po tayo pumpalabas ng pera sa bulsa po natin, tandaan po natin, hindi po natin na ma-internalize o ma-realize na ano bang dapat gawin, no, para palago ang pag-alaga ng native chicken. Yung kung bakit mga ka-native, ang Central Philippine University, seryoso po kaming tumulong sa mga seryosong mag-aalaga ng manok. And mind you, that 60% na mortality, try to equate it in terms of the income. Kung magkano po ang mawala sa inyo, no, given that kind of practices. And that is why dito sa Philippine Chicken, no, hindi po natin naman sabihin na isinasara na natin, no, about the raising of native chicken. No, ang parents, open pa rin tayo. Yun kung bakit sabi ko is that na if you are going to raise native chicken on the parents condition, ang gawin po ninyo, ang alagaan po ninyo is yung smaller genetic group. Bakit? No, ang smaller genetic group, they're really intended, no, on parents condition. Kaya lang, ang setback niyan, abutin ka ng 4 hanggang 5 buwan bago yan marating niya ang kanyang marketable weight of about 900 grams. Ang tanong ngayon, magkano kaya ang gastusin po pa dyan? How about the risk na experience nyo, no, on that number of months? And that is why that on the commercial production of native chicken, na sabi namin dito sa Philippine native chicken, to make use the genetic resources that we have, the larger genetic group, the smaller genetic group, no, and that is why that dito sa CPU, we try to combine the smaller genetic group, no, with the larger genetic group. Ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan na alam nyo kasi mga native, ang smaller genetic group, if you're going to raise it on the confined condition, mortality niyan aakyat yan. And that is why sabi namin is that na pili ba i-cross na lang. Now, because the characteristic of it will be partly inherited by the offspring. Alam nyo kasi mga native, tama po, in terms of the constituent of pre-amino acid, medyo mataas-taas ng konti yung maliliit, only at a certain age. Bakit? May edad na kasi na sila halos magkapariyo na. And that is why that Central Philippine University, and then ang consideration mo naman kasi sa larger genetic group naman, no, pag nalagaan mo yan, no, ideal kasi yan under confined or semi-confined condition. Hindi kasi gumagala ng sobrang layo yan. Pag gumala yan, no, mabilis hulihin niya ng tao. Hindi kasi mabilis lumipad o tumakbo ang manok na yan, no, except for a small genetic group na konting kimbot lang lipad agad. But on the larger genetic group, no, hindi po siya ganun katindi, no, when it comes, and that is why that hindi sa pamapalayo sa bahay ng caretaker niya. No, pag hiniram ng tao yan, no, baka makalimutan balik, loko na. And that is why that the Philippine native chicken, sabi namin is that na what we are doing here is that na pili ba ang mga seryosong raiser natin, na ang importante kasi sa business is that there is money or a profit on it. Alam niya mga native na for every business, ang profit po is blood life ng business yan. How about in raising native chicken agriculture? Alam niya mga native na we could not sustain our operation kung palagi perme na tayo po ang maabuno, and how we can help it. And that is why we develop technology, no, at Central Philippine University, na kung saan po pwede po adapt ng every, no, races all throughout the country and even in some part of the globe for as long as the condition is similar to the Philippines. And even the inputs. Alam niyo kasi mga native na Central Philippine University is one of the research center for organic agriculture all throughout the country. Alam niyo mga native kasi na pag nagkasakit ang manok mo, no, and then raising by the thousand, no, for example kay Sir Rene Sugide, no, once it will be totally implemented, no, ang loading capacity ni Sir Rene Sugidi, no, it can reach even up to 5,000 population of chicken, no, on a monthly basis. Kung magmasakit yung manok, ano gagawin mo? And that is why that we develop phytomedicine on it, because to help the raiser, no, to counter, no, ang mga possibly mga sakit dyan, anong pwede magamit na patambal, no, para no, matugunan ang problema na yan. Otherwise kasi mga native, no, you are investing no, malaking amount dyan, and then nagasakit ang manok mo, tapos wala kang patambal. Anong pwede mo gawin? Tingnan mo lang, iba ang usapan mga native. And that is why at Central Philippine University, in the last 2 years, 3 years, no, we used to focus our research on the development of the phytomedicines. Baka matanong po kayo, makataka po kayo, Doc, bakit na hindi po kayo gumagamit ng probiotics? Alam niyo mga native, we have the microbial lab. Ang problema namin sa probiotics, pag hindi maganda ang pag-prepare po ninyo, what will happen? Contamination na papasok yan mga native. Ipapasok ang contamination mga native na ano ang pupuntahan yan? Sakit po mga native. The beneficial microorganism, for as long as their number, no, will not exceed to the carrying capacity of the organism we're supposed to be, it should be there. Walang problema po tayo mga native. However, pag population increases, ibang usapan yung mga native. How about na if it landed na in a place that is not intended for them? Sakit po ang dulot yan mga native. That is why that sa amin, no, kasi yung usapan dito mga native, by the 1,000, hindi po to by the hundreds of chicken. Even the way and how we prepare it. Kung maalala pa nyo, kung masundan po nyo kami, na during early times, no, pinipiga pa yung mga kalamansi, no, siling na buyo, bawang, at saka yung bumbay. Ay naku, mga native, by the thousands. Sobrang tabahusok yan mga native. We try to implement it in the field. Ang problema namin, only first few months can be done. The next is history na. And that is why nasabi namin, kung ganun din lang, inigagawa na lang ang CPU, no, na kung saan po ready to use na, no, handi pa, makatipid po tayo. No, yan mga native. No, kaya lang ating panahon mga native. No, pasensya. No, we have also some other takings, but we'll be finding in, no, other time naman na makontinue po natin ang presentation na to, no, para sa ating mga native. Now, next time, pag-usapan natin, no, ang CPU, no, fertility booster emulsified concentrate. Ano ba ang mga kahalagahan yan? Bakit mo gamitin, no, sa inyong mga alagang manok? Again, no, in behalf ng aming presidente, no, Reverend Dr. Ernest Howard Aguhoy, no, kasama na po ang aming chairman of board trustee, no, Attorney Peter Corbera. Ito po yung kaibigan, no, si Philippine Native Chicken. Kakakibat po nyo, no, sa pag-alaga ng Native Chicken in commercial scale. No, si Philippine Native Chicken. Doc James, for short. God bless and keep safe. Kita naman tayo ulit na sa sunod nating video dito po sa The Philippine Native Chicken Digital TV. Sa ulit, magandang araw. God bless and keep safe po sa ating lahat.